Changquan, also known as long fist, is a style of traditional Chinese martial arts that focuses on long-range techniques and powerful, extended movements. This style is characterized by its dynamic kicks, high jumps, and strong punches, making it a visually impressive and physically demanding form of martial arts. In real application, Changquan is often used for self-defense and combat. The long, sweeping movements of the style allow practitioners to generate significant power and reach, making it effective for keeping opponents at a distance and delivering powerful strikes. The emphasis on agility and flexibility also enables practitioners to quickly evade attacks and counter with their own strikes. Additionally, Changquan's high kicks can be used to target an opponent's vital areas, making it a formidable form of combat. Furthermore, Changquan is also used in competitions and demonstrations, where practitioners showcase their skill and technique through graceful and powerful movements. The style's emphasis on form and precision makes it a popular choice for martial arts performances, as it exemplifies the beauty and discipline of traditional Chinese martial arts.